To reverse or make a reverse cathedral window spider or an upside down cathedral window spider, we're going to twist all the legs once, twist, 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 and twist, twist, twist. And then we're not crossing at the beginning the sides. Normally with a spider you would cross all of these right away like this, but we're not doing that yet. We'll start with the pair closest to the middle, and we're going to work it out. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. And we're not twisting anything, and then we go back to the pair closest to the middle and we work it out. Cross, twist, cross. And that's as far as we go, because there isn't anything else. And then we do the other side. So go to the pair closest to the middle and work it out. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. The pair closest to the middle, cross, twist, cross. And that's where we are. Okay, now we're going to work these pairs across each other. So cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. And now these legs are done, so we can twist them if we want to. Now we go back to the pair that would be closest to the middle. This pinhole here, we can put a pin in if we need to. When we tension the threads, it'll prevent it from going any farther. So cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and twist because this pair is done. And now this last pair, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, twist, 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 twist. And now it's all a matter of tensioning your threads. So it can be a little bit tricky. It's just a lot of times when you start bringing the pairs to the sides is when your pairs really start to tension correctly. So we're going to close this diamond shape going down. So twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross. And then we go to the other side, starting at the top. So I'm just tensioning my threads as I go. Twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross. And now we have our reverse cathedral window spider.